Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Bring Fukuoka Tenjin store. If you want to sell brand vintage clothing, silver accessories, or sneakers around Daimyo, Cool Ward, please use Bring Fukuoka Tenjin store. Located a 5-minute walk from Tenjin Station on the Fukuoka Subway Airport Line, experienced appraisers will offer high-value purchases for various brands such as Chrome Hearts, Goros, and Supreme, based on the latest market prices. Bring is a buy and sell store that purchases a wide range of items, including branded used clothing, sneakers, and accessories, and offers high prices for your items. At Bring, we strive to meet our customers' needs and promise to offer high prices based on market conditions. We offer a wide lineup from high-end brands to casual brands, even in niche genres where you might wonder, will this sell? Experienced buyers well-versed in each field will thoroughly assess its value. Depending on your condition or market needs, it may be difficult to assist you, but please feel free to contact us first. We will carefully inspect your precious items. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us.
At You Bring Our experienced buyers, we quickly appraise your items, so it takes almost no time. Feel free to stop by any time, whether after work or during breaks.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
When the purchase is completed, you will need identification that can verify your identity. Please bring photo identification documents such as your driver's license, basic resident registration card, Yuki card, and individual number card, My Number card, along with the items being appraised. If you are using documents without photos, such as the National Health Insurance Qualification Certificate as proof, please prepare 2 items. However, we cannot accept utility bill receipts. If you wish to make a bank transfer, please also prepare an account that shows your...
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Cancellations are possible. Rest assured, there is no appraisal fee. For home delivery purchases, we will cover the return shipping costs for items that have been returned. If you have any dissatisfaction or questions about the appraisal amount, we would appreciate it if you could consult with us. Please do watch our other Fukuoka, Japan playlist. We buy new arrivals and popular items at high prices. Also, if the item is in good condition, you can expect a higher purchase price. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Even if there are scratches or stains, if the item has product value, we will purchase it as much as possible. Even if you have items that were rejected by other companies due to scratches, dirt, or broken parts, we would be grateful if you could bring them to Bring. Have you been to Fukuoka, Japan? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.